December 15, 2023, Prince Harry won £140,600 in damages from the publishers of the Mirror newspapers in a court judgment that also found senior executives and editors, such as Piers at the company, knew about and concealed phone hacking and other unlawful information-gathering practices. There is a wealth of evidence that Piers knew about illegal phone hacking and, contrary to the repeated claims of the former Daily Mirror editor, that he published articles relying on it. The judge repeatedly made clear that he accepted this evidence was true. Mr. Justice Fancourt made explicit findings that the group's former chief executive, Sly Bailey, its one-time legal director, Paul Vickers, and its former chief in-house lawyer, Marcus Partington, all knew that the paper's journalists were acting illegally, even though they claimed otherwise. The problem is that, over the last 15 to 20 years, there are now incredibly powerful media companies who masquerade as journalists and who have, quite literally, hijacked journalistic privileges for their own personal gain and agenda. It's an unbelievably dangerous place. Democracy fails when your press fails to scrutinize and hold the government accountable, and instead chooses to get into bed with them so they can ensure the status quo. The country and the British public deserve to know. We will be better off for it. There's a responsibility to expose this criminal activity in the name of public interest. The media should have the power to be able to investigate anyone, anytime, for pretty much anything related to people in positions of responsibility or those who are taxpayer-funded. The outcome of only the second hacking case to come to full trial is another disaster for the company, now renamed Reach plc, showing that illegal practices went on far longer than previously admitted and that it was known about up to, but importantly not including board level. A large national newspaper company that was rotten to its core, with people at the highest executive levels tolerating and even encouraging intrusive activities that were known to be illegal while denying it all to the outside world. Questions will have to be asked over whether the police and the Crown Prosecution Service should look into these matters again, and whether evidence given under oath to the 2011-2012 Leveson inquiry by Bailey, Vickers, Morgan and others was perjured. The palace and press are not in a marriage of equals. It is a sordid affair where the Fleet Street editors have the balls of the men of Windsor pinned to their wall. A real national embarrassment. Too much of established British journalism remains an elite, closed club, close to power and influencing it, while claiming to have none, but playing victim when it is scrutinized in the slightest. That it continues to get away with its ability to distort our politics and society is one of the biggest stories and scandals of our time. Prince Harry is taking a stand for us all. If you believe in freedom of the press, rule of law and accountability in all forms of government, give us a thumbs up, like and share. Consider giving up a super thanks